While on this 10-day cruise aboard Ruby Princess, my sister is staying in an interior room. She was gracious enough for me to come and check it out. So let's go check it out.
Come in and see my cabin.
All right, good. So starting from the front door, right away to the left, we see that this full mirror. And then we go into the bathroom. You have to watch this step. And so she has the same problems as mine. This bathroom shower looks okay, but it's kind of tight, right?
Yeah, it's small.
So it's the same type of shower for both. So it's kind of small, even though it looks spacious. So the layout is the same for the bathrooms. It seemed like, based upon whether it's a balcony, you have your shelves, you have your sink, and beneath it you have your waste basket, and inside here you do have an outlet for some plugs. You'll have your towels, and then coming out of here, big size closet, just like in the balcony that I have. Big size closet, enough space to put your things on top, a lot of hangers to hang things, and at the bottom plenty of storage. And this is your closet. You have anything there?
Yeah, you can open.
Okay, so this is your closet. More space. Here you will find your safe and multiple drawers, multiple shelves for you to put more stuff in here. So a lot of space they give you, whether it's in the interior or the balcony, they give you a lot of space for storage. If you need anything more, then you could always put it underneath your bed. Going into the bedroom area now, the bedroom has 2 lamps on each side as well as additional storage. You have a big mirror above the bed, and here you have your desk. And so there is additional outlets next to the desk. You'll find your phone. This is the size of the desk, and additional shelves on the side. And where's your fridge?
Over there.
In the bed.
Under the roof.
And so this would be where your fridge would be, and good size TV. And behind the TV would be more outlets, right? You can use those outlets back there.
Yes.
So you can use those outlets in the back. So this is a big mirror for the desk as well. So multiple mirrors. If you have multiple people in here, multiple mirrors for you to get ready. So this is this. I'm just backing up a little bit so that you can see the bedroom. So it's a nice size. They really give you enough space. So since my sister's been staying in the room, I'll ask her and for her comments. So what do you think about the room?
The room is very spacious and it's comfortable. I really enjoy staying in it.
Okay, great.
The only problem I have is with the shower. It's a little tiny.
Great, thank you. That is a review of the interior room aboard Ruby Princess. What do you think? Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. Guess what, family? It's free of charge to do so, and it will greatly help my channel. Until next time, happy travels.